Hi there, and what I want to talk to you about today is creating a PDF CV that has the contact details of the candidate removed and is ready to send to the client. Now, in previous movies we've gone over how to create a new candidate record, how to parse an individual CV onto the database, and how to do bulk parsing. Within there we saw that it picked up the current employer, the current job title and the summary. This summary here is fully editable and free text, so you can write whatever you want in there because that is picked up by the PDF generator. Okay, so all the details have been filled in on here as we require. The job history here was picked up from the CV parser, and if we scroll over the job history we can actually look into exactly what that person was doing. Okay. We'll make one little amendment. We'll add that this gentleman is security cleared. We'll save that, and once that's saved we can then create a PDF CV. Before I do that, I'll go into the CV and Docs tab and just show you. Here's the text of the CV, and when we look here we can see there's just the original CV that copied from the Word document. Okay, so if we hit export as PDF, we can see that we now have a new document attached. It takes us straight to this tab, and when we launch that we'll see that as a PDF version of his CV, showing that it's from Eldon Job of Recruitment Force. The candidate's name is Bradley Wiggins, certificates there, current job title and highest level of education. There's the summary. This is why I mentioned that's free text. You can write whatever you want in there, and it picks up all the job history that was on this gentleman's CV, and then additional information. Anything that you tick on there will show up. If you don't highlight it, it just wouldn't show up in there. One thing we didn't highlight was CRB checked, and you can see that's not there. Okay. Now you might think, well, oh, that's excellent. However, I don't want it to show who he was working for. Well, that's fine. We can change that. All we do, we go into job history. You can edit this for that reason. This is where the CV parser picks the information up. So for here, you could just put current employer. You can have a read of the text to see if there's anything mentioning who he works for. I'm not going to do that in this situation, but obviously you can do that if you want to make the last employer anonymous. Hit save, takes you back to the details, and look, we'll also tick the CRB check here just to as an example. Okay, so we'll save that. And then now that that's saved, we can export as PDF, create a new PDF. You'll see there's the new PDF. We'll launch that quickly as that. And when we go in here, it says current employer as managing director. You can write whatever you want there, anonymous, etc., etc. If we scroll down to the bottom, you'll see CRB check has been added to that because we've now put that he's CRB checked. It is as simple as that to create a PDF version of the CV ready for sending to the client. This original one we made, we don't want that one anymore, so click on delete and delete this item. Okay, if we were sending an email to a line manager about this CV, when we hit send email, we will see that this candidate's CV 26330 is there. We link this to a job. Let's say this testing job, and we now, in fact, I'll do a job that I know someone is linked to, so we'll do finance manager here, and all we need to do then is select the line manager's email address, select a template, we're sending the CV, and select the candidate. And when we do that, don't need to type anything in, hit send, but put the subject in, hit send, and that will go straight to that line manager with that CV attached. Thank you very much.